Good morning, dear hearts. We are on lesson 108, and of course, please subscribe. Today's lesson is to give and receive are one in truth. Now, we have been having this awareness in this lesson in different ways, but the past several lessons all do mention about giving and receiving, and it is really such a central idea. And this lesson goes ahead and explains it for us even more as to why is it so important for us to have this realization that to give and to receive are one in truth. But first off, it's talking about vision and light. Vision depends on today's ideas, what it says. Now, in order to have vision, there must be light. We have to have light around us in order to have vision. Not talking about body eyes, not talking about seeing, talking about vision. And this lesson says true light that makes true vision possible is not the light that the body's eyes behold. It is a state of mind. It is a state of mind that is so all-encompassing, and so at the same time our mind is completely open to having vision of those around us, but it's also completely closed, which is very interesting. And what is it closed to? It's closed to not allowing not one illusion to come into my awareness. I am completely over that. I'm completely done with illusions in my mind, in my state of thought. So while my mind is completely open to the light and to vision, it is also steadfast to not allowing any errant thought, any ego thought, any unloving thought to come in to my mind. Now, this lesson says something that's very interesting, and this is one of those lines that could pass over very easily, not just because it is Passover, but you could pass over this very easily. It says, "This is the light that heals because it brings single perception based upon one frame of reference from which one meaning comes. This is the end of duality." We have been living in this world of duality because that is the world of the ego. If there's a right, there's a left. If there's a good, there's a bad. If there is love, there is hate. But this is the end of all of that. Now there is only single perception because all I am experiencing is the light and vision that comes with the light. So in this recognition, in this stepping into a single perception and stepping away from all dualistic thoughts, now this is how I can realize that giving and receiving are one. This lesson goes in saying one thought completely unified will serve to unify all thought. Now, this is something that has been said in different ways about the Course, that if you learn one lesson fully and completely to the depth of your being, that you know the entire workbook, you know the whole Course, because again, we are building this spiritual tapestry. We are, one lesson builds upon the next and the next. So with one thought that is completely unified, completely whole, completely healed, completely known, that will unify every thought that I then have from that point forward. So what is being used here is an example. So we need an example of one thought that is completely understood, and what we're being given to use as our example is giving and receiving are one in truth. Because if I realize that everything I give will indeed be received, then that's all I need to know. I will only see from now on the unification, the wholeness, the singularity in everything that is part of the truth. There's no more there's no more thoughts of doubt or could be or what ifs. The truth is now known, and it's given to me in the example of when I realize that everything I give is going to be received. It says to give is to receive. Today we will attempt to offer peace to everyone and see how quickly peace returns to us. So in the practicing, and of course it's still the 5 minutes, but we go into it to give and to receive are one in truth. And then it says to say, to everyone I offer quietness, to everyone I offer peace of mind, to everyone I offer gentleness, to everyone I offer kindness, and wait and realize that we will receive back exactly in the same level of what we have given. It says the same amount, and it will come to you in the amount in which you gave it. So as I offer to everyone quietness, I will receive quietness back from everyone exactly as it has been given. So this one simple lesson that is being used for today, that to give and to receive are one in truth, it is so much more far-reaching than perhaps we initially thought. It is so really significant because in understanding this one idea, then we will really understand everything. And it says we will make much faster progress now when we understand that to give and to receive are one in truth, that all of the quietness, all of the peace, all of the gentleness, the kindness that I offer you is going to be exactly as I receive it back. I give it and I will receive it in equal measure and perhaps tenfold. So that's it for today. I hope this helped. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, and be here tomorrow. And we do not forget our prayers. Namaste.